Hey guys, my name is Ariel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this nice burgundy smoky eye. And I'm also using some new Manuel Beauty products in this video that I'm excited to show you guys as well. I really love this look because it's wearable, and also it took me literally 5 minutes to do. Like, it was so simple. So I finished most of this video like in one clip because it took me the shortest amount of time to do. So if I can do it, you can totally do it. So I'm excited to show you guys something that looks really glamorous but is so simple to do, especially if you're short on time. So this look is perfect for like late summer, early fall, a night out. You can wear it during the daytime if you do like a lighter lip, whatever you're looking for. This look can be versatile for you. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to know how I achieved it, then let's go ahead and get started. So this is what the final side is going to look like of the eye, but we're going to use two new eyeshadow palettes today from Manuel, and one is called Loud and one is called Promiscuous, and I'm literally only using two colors. This is like literally one of the easiest, most simple smoky eye that you can do. So I'm going to use this color right here in the Loud palette, this brown one, and then this purple one right here in Promiscuous, and together that's going to make a really beautiful, nice and simple burgundy smoky eye. And also the base for this look, my foundation, brows, all that stuff, that's gonna be found in my previous video for Manuel with the Hydroluminous foundation. So if you have not seen that video, go ahead and check it out and see how I got this foundation before I did my eyes. Alright, so to start off, I am just packing that brown color in the eyeshadow quad Loud onto my lid, and then I'm going to just blend that into the crease area. It's kind of like a transition shade, so that everything looks nice and blended and not choppy. So now we're going to go into Promiscuous and use this purpley shade, and together they're going to make the most beautiful burgundy smoky eye. And Manuel Beauty's eyeshadows have an ultra fine velvety powder that goes on really smooth, and they're enhanced with silicone for even dispersion of pigments without creasing. So this look is going to stay all day or all night long and look super perfect. And now I'm going in with an angled brush just to make sure that everything looks nice and clean. We like those nice clean looks and sharp lines, so I'm just making sure that everything looks nice and blended and put together. Next, I went ahead and popped on some eyelashes just to make this look a little bit more sultry. And I'm going to use this Filter Finish Collection bronzer, and it's in the shade Sex on the Beach. I love a glowy, glow from within look, a natural glow, and this is what this gives you. It's not too bronzy to where it looks fake, but it just shows up perfectly on my skin. And next I'm going to take that same brown shade from the Loud eyeshadow quad, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line along with my Manuel mascara. To set everything, I'm using my Filter Finish Collection Luxe Filter Loose Powder, and this is in the shade Deep Filter, just to set my entire face. Then to brighten up my under eyes just a little bit more, I'm going to use my Luxe Powder in the shade Deep Filter 1. For highlighter, I'm going to use this side right here. I think this is a really pretty color, and there's a Manuel lip gloss that matches with this like perfectly, so I'm going to add this as a highlighter to brighten it up and just kind of tie it all into the look. So we're going to go ahead and highlight on those inner corners, down my nose and on my cupid's bow area, and on my chin and on my cheeks as well. And don't be afraid to use brighter colors for a highlight. I know we all go for the golds, but this makes any look pop, and it could be a fun way to switch up your makeup. So next I'm going to go in with this eye and lip pencil. This is in the shade Hex. I love a good dark brown lip liner. I feel like it defines my lips really well. So this is the super pretty lip gloss. It's a gorgeous lustrous color. It is called Infinity. And after I applied this gorgeous lip gloss all over my lips, we are done with this look. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this makeup look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. And let me know what you think about this look down in the comments below. Do you like smoky eye looks, or do you prefer to keep it a little bit more on the natural side? I really love this one, like I said, because it's perfect for those who are busy but still want a glamorous look. So let me know what you guys think about it. And thank you so much for watching. And as always, I hope you guys feel beautiful inside and out today, because you are. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.